Hi guys, welcome to my wall slash channel, depending on whether you're watching this on Instagram or on YouTube. So I'm very excited to be filming this today because I went and I got myself the Makeup Revolution 12 Days of Christmas gift box, the first in South Africa. So guys, all I need to say is that it is a gorgeous box. Look at that. So I got this for 1.3 from Clicks, 1,299. So running up to 1.3. I know there is a smaller box that looks like this that costs 999, but it has 9 things inside. I know there's two different smaller ones, a black one and a brown one. So those cost like $4.99, but they have way less of things. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys what's inside this magical box. So it opens up this way. As you can see guys, it has 12 boxes in there. So it's a very, very gorgeous box. As you can see, look at that guys, that is absolutely stunning. I like the packaging. I think it's really gorgeous. The first thing I'm gonna pick from the box is the lip gloss trio, and this is 3 shades of lip gloss. So it's not liquid lipstick, but it's lip gloss. I'll put this right there. So these shades are just numbered and they don't have names. If you see, right like that, that's what is there. And then the second thing that is on there is this is a blush and highlight palette. So I mean, the colors are gorgeous. I'm not really a fan of blush, but the highlighters on there are super intense. I think that is really cool. And then we have this is an eyebrow kit, an eyebrow palette. So I think I needed this. I needed this. So there's if you go in there, you'll see there is the eyebrow powder, and then you know what we use to highlight. The wax and everything is in there. So that was definitely a need. And then next up we've got the Ultra Contour Palette, which looks like that. So there is the contouring, and I think I see a highlighter in there, which looks like this. I do like that. I like that. I'm not gonna swatch right now. I'm not sure if I should do a swatch or not. Should I do a swatch, guys? Should I do a swatch? Yes or no? I will see. And then I've got Ultimate Neutrals Pigment Palette. So these are neutral colors, and then if you can look, they're all gorgeous colors. I like shades that have names. I think it's a really cool thing that they named all of their shades. Just look at that. So these are Ultimate Neutral. And then next up we've got the Velvet Matte Pigment Palette. So this palette looks, so this palette looks something like this, if you see inside, which I think is also cool. And then we've got, I think this one is my favorite palette. This one is the Metallic Crush Pigment Palette. So I think I had one eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. Unfortunately, somebody stole it. It was good pigment, so I hope these also have really good pigment. Can already see myself liking the citrus, the one in the corner over here. These are metallic colors. And then what comes also in the box is a small travel size brush set. I'm gonna open this just to feel the bristles, because Gail doesn't like soft bristles. So I want to feel this. If the bristles are soft, and they are, yes, these may be tiny, but I'm sure they get the job done. I like the softness of the bristles. And then next up we've got a Mattifying Primer. Not sure how this is going to work for me, because I am a person who generally has dry skin. So I think I would have rather preferred a primer that makes my face more dewy than matte, because my skin is really dry. So I don't think matte will work really well, but it's something I will definitely try. So if I can see that. Okay, and then next up we've got the Illuminating Eye Primer. Now this I'm down for because it says illuminating, so I mean, hopefully it gives. I've never tried it before. I'm not sure who has, so I don't know what to say, but I hope this is a really good eye primer base or eye primer. So it says illuminating, so that already tickles my fancy. So, and then two of my favorite stuff ever that got me really excited in this box are these two sprays. So the first one is the Illuminating Fixing Spray. Haven't used it yet, but I'm already excited about it. I have the Pro Fix spray, so it works really well so far, and I hope this one is like a better version. So this one's the Illuminating Fixing Spray, and then this one is the Cooling Fixing Spray. So it says it's lightweight to help keep face and eye makeup in place. So this sounds like something really good for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's like 12 different boxes in there with 12 different products. So I mean, if you get these stuff individually, I think it will cost you more than 1.3. So I'm not sure if you can still get the box, because me, when I went to Clicks and I just saw it was the last box at Clicks Canal Walk. Not sure if they restocked or anything. I know the one with 9 stuff is like brushes, and they're so gorgeous. So I'm not sure what the other 2 small ones have. I think they have eyeshadow, lip gloss, I think they have blush and contour, not sure. But do check it out, guys, if you get a chance to. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you go and get yourself a Makeup Revolution 12 Days of Christmas box set. Look, if you don't get it, there's still next year. Hopefully they make another one next year. So it's beautiful, it's a gorgeous, I think it's a bargain box. So I hope you come back again soon. So for me, with love,